Hey everyone, welcome to instarev.ai. Turn every thank you into a 5-star review. So, how did I came up with this idea? Actually, I was getting physio for my tennis elbow, and this was say about 2 weeks back when my physio asked me if you can give me review. I'm always basically delaying it. Yes, I'll give you a very good review, but in that very good review, a good enough review is also not coming out. It is absolutely my fault that I'm basically taking so much time because writing review is a chore, right? How do you do it? That's where the instarev.ai comes in. So what it does is it basically using AI, it analyzes your existing reviews, learns more about your business, and then creates a very quick and easy 5 to 7 questions for your clients which they can answer, and then the AI generates the reviews for you, right? So they can just copy and basically give you the reviews, right? So how does it work? So let's actually log in with Google. So I'm already logged in. Now what it says is paste say about 10 reviews of your business and AI will analyze and highlight it. I have basically Pintuan's physiotherapy center open, so he works at Zealous. So what I'll do is I'll just copy these reviews. I'm not sure how many, but I'll just copy it over. I'll copy these many, and what I'll do is I'll just paste it over here. The reviews are very unstructured, but that's not a problem because our LLM is going to analyze and basically extract the knowledge out of it. This is going to take time, so I'll pause the video and come back when it starts to display results. So yeah, our app has analyzed the raw reviews that we gave. So it understood, the business name is Zealous, the industry physio. It was not able to figure out the owner name. Obviously, at this physio center, multiple people work, so there is no single person. But if you are a service provider and if you basically want to personalize the review, this is where you put in your name so that when the AI generates the review, takes in this name in consideration and generates a review for you. And you can just give your role just in case. Also, we take in the city and country. This helps to basically localize the language a bit, even on the English side. Like each part of India will have its own way of speaking. So using LLMs, we are trying to like make it as close to possible so that it doesn't come out as AI generated or fake, right? The other thing that you need to do is provide the Google Maps URL link. This helps when you share the link. The I'll come to it later, but this helps when you basically share the way to AI analyze your AI generate your reviews. What it also did was it actually extracted a pretty nice knowledge base out of all the reviews that it found. So basically, it analyzed what is the organization, what are the core services, what are the personnel and staff, and Bintuan is the one I'm basically getting my physio from. What is the general feedback? What are the facilities and USPs and brand perceptions and other things? If as the service provider you're not happy with this extraction, you can edit it over here, because this is also going to be given as context to LLM when they generate reviews on your client's behalf, right? So I'm happy with it. I've made a few changes over here. I'll basically update those. Save. So this is saved. few issues. Next, what I can do is I can actually, using this context as well as the existing reviews, I can analyze the structure of the review itself and break it into a series of questions. So if a user answers those questions, I can construct a review out of it. So this is the next step. After the validation of the data that was extracted using the reviews, I basically generate the questions using AI. Again, it was faster. So here it generated a few questions. It is also related to the domain that you're working on. So if you basically answer these questions, then using your responses, we'll be able to AI generate it, as well as the end question is always free text. So using that end question, we can even personalize the review, which is unique based on your input. The last thing I can do is I can create a public link. So this link, I need to basically share it with my clients. And when they go to this link, they will be able to answer these responses. And when they click on generate AI review, the AI review is going to be generated. Now that particular part is not integrated with the UI. But what I've done is I've basically tested it around. I've tested it using the CMD, right? Using sort of a play app that I was basically working on. So here what I have is generate Google review.js, which uses the same TypeScript, OpenAI, and other things. And I gave it a sample response. So the sample response is my response or a generated response of the questions that were generated by the AI, right? So the last one, I've made it a bit personalized, not a lot, but a little bit. I've just given a brief summary of what my experience with the center was. And it needs the existing reviews, it needs the knowledge base and other things. And basically when I submit it to LLM, what it is going to do is it's going to generate a AI response, which is basically a bit personalized to based on my input. And I can basically just copy it and put it on Google Maps, and I'll be done with the review in less than 2 minutes. So that's what InstaRev is about. It helps you to basically overcome that writer's block in giving reviews by creating a set of questionnaires that are quick and easy to answer, and also personalized. So it's not really a fake review, but very personalized, and make the whole process very easy for you. I hope you liked it, and thank you very much.